Have you played Tug of War with your child? Yes, it is very fun, right? Well, this time you are going to have the opportunity to do it using Spanish. You are going to use the verb alar, okay? And the sentence is, it's time to pull. Es hora de alar. Es hora de alar. You can get it like, I don't know, you can get a little rope if you have it at home, or you can get a long sheet, or you can get something that you can pull with your child, even if it's just an old blanket or something. And then you're going to say to your child, okay, let's go and play. And I'm going to say, es hora de alar. Es hora de alar. That means it's time to pull. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Alar, 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 alar. And then you play tag of war with your child using the language. Remember, what do I always say? Remember, Spanish practice matters, and you can conquer consistency one day at a time if you live the language every day. Talk to you later. Bye.